Hey guys, this is my second time doing this because for some reason, the first time my phone just stopped. Anyway, today is not my day. I went to the chiropractor's and because of leaving a little late and encountering slow drivers and hitting every red light, I was late and I had to come home without being adjusted. So came up to my craft room and I wanted to show you what I made today. And I got this idea from Roxyfur, here on YouTube. She has a fabulous channel. She does hauls, she does projects. She has so many amazing ideas. And I thanked her because I said I didn't know what to do with these adorable felt hearts that I had gotten from Target. And so this is what they look like. These are the ones that I have left over. And I have some, I bought some at Dollar Tree and I don't know where I put them. So they're in here somewhere. So anyway, what I did, as I said, I scrap lifted this idea from Roxy, but I took the glitter everywhere. My craft room, the floors, everything is full of glitter. So I took two of the red felt hearts and I used which ribbon? I used this ribbon and I threaded it through the holes and I made a hanging a hanger, I guess you could say. Cut those frayed ends off, but I made a hanger and I used some of my felt stickers that I have, these cute little animals, and I used, what else did I use? I used these rosette stickers. I think these came from Target a few years ago. So I used those and the stickers and the ribbon. And then here on the hearts, I put contrasting little buttons, and these are from the Dollar Tree, or not Dollar Tree, but from Target. I also have these that are so cute. So then, hang on. Mike just came home from the store. See, this is how my day's going. Nothing's working right, except for my beautiful heart projects. But this is what I used to glue the stickers down with. The stickers are pretty sticky, but I wanted to make sure that they wouldn't fall off. So I used the Beacon Fabri-Tac glue. And so everything is on there really well. And then I used that same glue to glue the button down. They're just really, really cute and sweet. And you can put whatever. You can put, what did Roxy put in hers? A cookie in a glassine bag, so that'd be a good idea. Or you could put a card in, or, you know, just whatever you want to do, or just use it as a decoration. So I thought that turned out really cute. And oh, here's another one of the felt stickers that I have. And then this is the other one I made. I did the ribbon different. I tied it on the ends, but the same idea. And this I had left over from the craft show. So I'm debating about putting this and then this pencil in that I got at the Target Dollar Spot, or Einstein's, whatever it's called. These were $1 for 8. So I'm either going to put this in here with the pencil, like that, or the other thought was I have these, again, from Dollar Tree from, I don't know, a year or two ago, a few years ago. And I might put one of these in instead of this. I haven't decided. So that's just really cute. And let's see, what else do I want to show you? So I've been working on my spoons. Well, I had decorated this and then I didn't like the way it turned out. So it's kind of a dud. I don't know, I might recover the front or just whatever. But I've been doing more spoons, so I made this one for my sister. She's a quilter. She sews, and these are charms I'd gotten at Walmart. And the pretty silver ribbon. Well, here's one of the ribbons I used. These are from Dollar Tree, and that's the other one that I used to lace these together. This one I think turned out so pretty. I just love the glitter combination. And as I said in one of my previous videos about the spoons, one happy little bird, or one very happy bird, she layers hers. That just didn't work for me. So I mix my glitters into a little container like this. But I thought this one turned out so pretty. It reminds me of Easter. So then I finished this one. This is for my daughter Liz's friend who grew up in Hawaii, and she is a surfer girl. She grew up surfing, so I made this one for her. And the ballerina one is for my daughter, because she was a dancer in middle school and high school. So I'm going to send her that one. This one I did with the onyx glitter that I got. I got this at Walmart. They're like $2.50, $3 or something. It's a big container, and I won't pop the hole on this because it keeps spilling out. But it's in the color onyx, and look at how pretty that is. It just has so many different colors in it. And see, it just keeps spilling out. And then yesterday when I went to Walmart, I got the same thing, but this is in the Caribbean. Isn't that beautiful? And what's cool is that these stack on each other because they have a hole in the bottom, and they will stack for you. So really like those. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this one, but I used my chains that I had gotten it on eBay. I showed these in a haul video. I reordered this one. And when I reordered that, I got this. And I really like this because it's just clear and the gems are bigger. So that's the onyx by itself. And then that's the onyx with some purple glitter put over the top. And so these were from eBay, and this I got at Walmart. I showed it in one of my hauls. It's a gold chain with the faceted gems. So that'll be really pretty when I want to do more gold tone. And I have some really pretty gold charms. There's a funny little boot. Oh, and then the Cupid. If I want to make a Valentine's Day spoon, I have the little Cupid here. Or, you know, you could put it on here if you wanted to put it on one of your envelope, your felt little envelopes that you make. And I do a lot of gluing with these little E6000. I did buy another pack of these because this is the second one I've gone through, so you can see I've gone through quite a bit of that. And let's see what else. Oh, and then these are the diamond strike on box matches, and you get a pack of these at the Dollar Tree. And so that's what I used, and I used my Folk Art white paint to paint the box first, and then I put the glitter on. This I got a pack of, I think 12 for like $9 at Walmart. That was a while back when I was still doing my magnets for the craft show. So I painted everything white, and this I still have to decorate the bottom, but this would be so pretty. You can paint the inside if you want to, depending on what you're using it for. And I thought it would be so pretty. You could use something like this as a pull, a drawer pull, or even if you wanted to, you could use one of these hearts as a drawer pull, and then decorate the top. And I thought this would be really cool if somebody's going to ask someone to marry them, just a really neat little box. Maybe take them off guard a little bit without a traditional jewelry box. And then I have this. I thought that would be really cute on top, or, you know, the little Cupid, whatever you wanted to do. And this is what I used. Once I have the glitter the way I want it, I put a layer of this on just to make these really solid and sturdy and to keep the glitter from flaking off. So that's a great glue that I really enjoy. Oh, and then on these, the eyes weren't, they were kind of faded out and funky looking, so I just used my Sharpie marker and colored them in. And I don't want to forget anything. What else did I want to show you? I guess maybe that's it. So just some ideas of what you can do with these items from the Dollar Tree and the Target Einstein's Playground. And thank you, Roxy, for thinking of this idea, showing it in your video, because as soon as I came back from my failed chiropractor trip, I came in my craft room and made these, and I just love them. So I'm going to make some more. And yeah, so that's it for today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week so far. We're going to head to the dog park pretty soon, and then I'm meeting my friends. We're going to do happy hour at Barcelona's. It's a tapas place, and they have happy hour there. So go get a little bite of food. And I guess that's it for today. I hope you are having a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Oh, here's some more of my glitter combos that I made using my different glitters. This is the purple that I put on top of the onyx. And yes, my glitter room, and I mean, not my glitter room. My craft room, I should call it my glitter room. My craft room is a glitter room, and there's glitter everywhere. But I got a bunch of these off of eBay, AliExpress, or just Amazon. Great place to get these things inexpensively. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll just see you next time. Bye.